Hey everyone, having trouble connecting or transferring files in FileZilla? In this video, I'll show you how to enable passive mode in FileZilla step by step. Yeah, passive mode can help fix connection issues caused by firewalls, routers, or restricted networks, making FTP transfers work more smoothly. First, open FileZilla on your computer. Make sure the program is installed and ready before changing any connection settings. Next, click the Edit menu at the top of the FileZilla window and select Settings. This will open the main configuration area where you can adjust different FileZilla options. Now, find the FTP Settings section in the left menu. This is where FileZilla manages different FTP connection behaviors. Under FTP Settings, look for the Transfer Mode options. Select Passive Mode instead of Active Mode. Passive mode allows your computer to connect to the server without requiring incoming connections from the server. After selecting passive mode, click OK or Apply to save your changes. These settings will now be used for future FTP connections. Next, reconnect to your FTP server by entering your host address, username, password, and port details, then click Quick Connect. Once connected, try uploading or downloading a small file to test whether the connection is working correctly. So if the transfer completes successfully, passive mode has likely fixed the connection problem. If you still experience issues, check your firewall settings, router configuration, and FTP server settings. Some servers may also require specific passive port ranges to be configured. You can also enable passive mode for a specific saved connection by opening FileZilla Site Manager, selecting your server profile, and adjusting the transfer settings there. And that's how you enable passive mode in FileZilla. With the correct settings, you can improve FTP reliability and solve many common connection problems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.